Hi guys, welcome back to another video by Daniel and John, and in today's video, as you can see, we're going to be reviewing and sharing our experience with Painter's Touch by Rust-Oleum. Over to you, John.
Right, so this paint comes in a matte finish, a gloss and a satin finish and various colours, made by Rust-Oleum, called Painter's Touch. It's got multi-purpose uses, wood, metal, ceramics. We've used it on a plastic bumper with the relevant primers. Quite detailed instructions on the back, how to use it and that. One of the most important things is shake it till you hear that ball bearing inside, and shake again about 5 minutes on and off. Try and make sure the paint is warm, that does help. And it's really easy to apply. It's got a nice safety lid, stop kids getting it. You have to squeeze hard. Ignore the dripping, that's down to me. Covers well.
Covers really well, actually.
Really well.
Yeah.
And we've used about 2 tins of this to cover this bumper to get this real solid black. The reason I mention that is it will allow you to virtually use every last drop, but as soon as you feel that it's not pushing anything out, just discard it, otherwise you'll end up with all spots over your paint job and it'll ruin it. And I think it was about £8 a tin. We bought this off Amazon just because it was convenient to get hold of. Yeah, can't knock it really. So
Good product.
Good product. So if you're looking to paint something, try Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch. I think it even comes in gold and silver.
You can get it in pretty much anything you want.
Yeah, metallics and all sorts. It's real good paint. Very good paint. And quick drying.